हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में ओलंपियाड क्लास 10 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक के बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स एंड रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को कवर करेंगे। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट हियर। द फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न द कंसेप्ट हियर. So the concept here is I just draw a right angle triangle, right? So I draw here a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree and I name this triangle as ABC. Okay, and this side is known as the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. And this side is known as perpendicular, right? Perpendicular. And this one is your base. So the relation between these sides is what here? H square equal to P square plus B square, basically the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and so if you have the two sides given, you can find the third side, right? So simply the triplet you must know. The triplet is what here, like if you can understand this way: 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, where m is greater than 1, right? Any natural number. So m greater than 1. So if I take m is equal to 2, so we get here the triplet 4, 3 and 5, right? You can see here the 4 square plus 3 square equal to what? 5 square. Okay, so you can simplify this. 16 plus 9 equal to what? 25. So 25 equal to 25. So we can get many more triplet. Okay, now trigonometrical ratio. I'm talking about the trigonometrical ratio. So the triangle, right angle triangle we have here, that is ABC. Okay, I name it ABC. The angle B is 90 degree. I just assume this angle theta. The side opposite to this angle theta is P, or also known as the opposite side. Opposite side. The side just along this angle is this side is your adjacent side. Adjacent side, and also known as B, base, and this one is your hypotenuse H. So just I write the 6 trigonometrical ratio formula. Sin theta, that is P by H. The cos theta, that is cosine of theta, cosine of angle theta, that is B by H. Tan theta, tangent of angle theta, that is P by B. Cotangent of theta, that is cot theta, that is B by B. Sec theta, that is secant of theta, secant of angle theta, H by B. And the cosec theta, which is cosecant of theta, and that is H by P. So this way we have written here the 6 trigonometrical ratio formula. Okay, next coming to the next formula, and that is what here? Sin theta into cosec theta. If you multiply this 2, sin theta into cosec theta, just prove it with basic concept, that is P by H and H by P, right? Cosine theta is P by H, cosec theta is your H by P. So this 2 are cancel out, so this is equal to 1. Now we can find then sin theta, this, which is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and similarly we can find the cosec theta here, that is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, next coming to the next formula, so that is what? Cos theta into sec theta. We have just learned that cos theta is B by H and sec theta is H by B. So this is cancel out. So this is equal to 1. From here you can get cos theta, that is equal to 1 by sec theta. Okay, you can also get from here the sec theta, which is your, what is this? This is 1 by cos theta. Okay, next is your tan theta into cot theta. So you can say that these two are reciprocal of each other. So this is P by B and this is B by P. So these two are cancel out. So this is equal to 1. So you can get here the tan theta as 1 by cot theta, and cot theta, that is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, so this way we get the formula of this relations, right? Okay, next coming to the next formula. Okay, so you can see here the sine theta uh, by cos theta, sine theta by cos theta, right, that is equal to what, tan theta. Okay, here the next one, which is cos theta by sine theta, cos theta by sine theta, and that is equal to what, cot theta. Okay, now next coming to the next relation. Next relation is what, here is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sine square theta is what, basically sine square theta is p by h the whole square. Simply you can prove this as well, b by h cos theta the whole square. So you can see here we can write p square plus b square by h square. P square plus b square is h square by h square. So this 2 are cancel out, so 1. So from here you can write the other two formula, sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, simple. Now in the same way we can write also the sine theta, that is under root 1 minus cos square theta, right? If you here sine square theta is, we have 1 minus cos square theta, we can write sine theta as under root 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta as this is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, continue with the next formula, and that is what here that we have we will write the sec square theta. Next relation is your sec square theta minus tan square theta, and this relation is equal to 1. So what is sec theta? That is h by b the whole square, right? Sec theta is your h by b the whole square. Okay, so sec theta is h by b the whole square, and tan theta is p by b the whole square, p by b the whole square. So if you simplify this, h square minus p square by b square, so this is b square by b square, so this is cancel out, so 1. So from here you can get the sec square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and in the same way you can find what here, the tan square theta. Next relation is here is your sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So we can prove this very simply. So h by b the whole square, and tan theta is p by b the whole square. Okay, p by b the whole square equal to 1. So how we can prove this? H square minus p square by b square, right, equal to 1. So here the h square minus p square is b square divided by b square equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So verified. So in the same way we have the other trigonometrical relation is your cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec theta is what, basically cosec theta is h by p the whole square, and cot theta is equal to b by p the whole square. Okay, so here this is what, here h square minus b square by p square. H square minus b square is your p square by p square, so cancel out, so this is 1. So this way we have proved all the trigonometrical relations formula, and next we have the trigonometrical table, angle table. So that is what here, basically you just need to know the standard angle values in trigonometrical ratios. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So how to prepare this table, just I going to teach you. So right below the 0 degree, 0, 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, and divide each value by 4, right, then each value by 4, and take the square root, right. So take the square root. If you take the square root of these values, you will get the corresponding value of sine in 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So this is 0, this is 1 by 2, cancel this out, so this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so this is sine 0 degree, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. To find the cos value, just write this in reverse order. So this is 1, this is what, root 3 by 2, this is root 3 by 2, this is what, 1 by root 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 0. Now to get the value of 10, what you need to do is just divide this two values. So this is what, 0, right? If you divide this two values, so this is what, 1 by root 3, and if you divide, this is 1, this is root 3, right? This is root 3, and 0 divided 1 divided by 0, that is infinity, not defined. Cot, what is cot here? So just take the reciprocal of 10, that is infinity, not defined, the root 3. Okay, so this is what here, root 3. Okay, so this is your root 3 value. 1 minute, let me erase this. Okay, so root 3 is here, root 3 value is, so this is root 3. Okay, this is 1 and this is 1 by root 3, and the reciprocal of infinity is 0. Then sec, what is the value of sec? That is reciprocal of cos, so take the reciprocal of 1. So this is 2 by root 3, this is root 2. Okay, this is 2, and the reciprocal of 0 is infinity. For cosec, what you need to do here is just take the reciprocal of sine, that is infinity, 2 root 2, and this is 2 by root 3, and this is what here, 1. Okay, so this way you can prepare the table, standard angle table. Okay, coming to the next now is your the question, right? We will start with the question. So question number 1 is here, sine alpha plus cosec alpha the whole square plus cos alpha plus sec alpha the whole square equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then k is what? So what I will do here is I will just expand this, right? I will apply the formula a plus b the whole square. So this is what here, sine square alpha. Then what, cosec square alpha, right? Cosec square alpha plus 2 sine alpha, 2 sine alpha into cosec alpha. So I expanded this. Now I will expand the other other term, that is what, cos alpha plus sec alpha the whole square. That is what, cos square alpha plus sec square alpha, sec square alpha plus 2 cos alpha, 2 cos alpha sec alpha, right, is equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha plus cot square alpha. Okay, fine. So sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, I combine this, so this result is 1. Cosec alpha square alpha, I will write here the 1 plus cot square alpha, right? So formula for cosec square alpha is 1 plus cot square alpha, and sin alpha into cosec alpha is 1, so this is 2 into 1, right? I have already combined cos square alpha. Sec square alpha, I will write 1 plus tan square alpha, so I write here 1 plus tan square alpha. For 2 into cos alpha sec alpha, that is what, 2 into 1, so this is equal to what, k plus tan square alpha, tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Okay, now see here what result do we get here, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. So 7 plus we get here the tan square alpha plus cot square alpha equal to what, k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha, right, cot square alpha. So if you compare here both sides, so tan square alpha, cot square alpha get cancelled, so k is simply 7, right? If you see the options, you get this correct option is option B. Okay, next continue with the next question. So next question, here we have the question number 2. In the question number 2, what we have here to find the result of this, right, equal to what? So first here the power is what, negative. Okay, one trick is you can use here to solve this. Just simply what I will take here, I will choose the, because the options are numerical, so I can take the value of a as standard angle values, right, in sine and cos. So simply I choose here a 0 degree. So if you put here the root 3 plus 2 cos 0 is 1, right? So 2 root 3 plus 2 divided by what, 1 minus 2, sine 0 is 0, right? So this is what, the whole power minus 3. And so here the 1 plus 2 sine a, so this is 0, and root 3 minus 2 cos 0 is 1, right? So the power minus 3. So just simplify this. I can write this as 1 by what, root 3 plus 2 the power 3. I just make this sign positive, right? So I will just write it this way, right? 1 by root 3 plus 2 to the power 3, and for here we will write what here, root 3 minus 2 to the power 3, right? Okay, now I will simplify this. So to simplify this, just take the LCM here. So this is what, root 3 plus 2 the whole cube. Okay, so what here, 1 plus this is what, root 3 minus 2 to the power 3, and root 3 plus 2 whole to the power 3. So if you simplify this, so this is what here, a plus b, a minus b, so 3 minus 4, right, 2 whole square to the power what, 3, divided by what, root 3 plus 2 to the power what, to the power 3. Okay, now if you see here, so what do we get here? So 1 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so I can write this as 1 plus minus 1 to the power 3, and below denominator what we have here, root 3 plus 2 to the power 3. Okay, so here 1 minus 1, basically minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, so root 3 plus 2 whole to the power 3. So basically 0 by this value, right? So this becomes what here, this becomes 0. If you see the option, so correct option is option C, right? Correct option is option C, 0. Okay, next, coming to the next question. So question number 3 here. So what is the question number 3 here? The sine theta plus cos theta we have here given. So sine theta plus cos theta and sec theta plus cosec theta is b. So simply you are asked to find the b times a square minus 1 value. So we'll put the value. B is what? B is your sec theta plus cosec theta. So just putting the value. Okay, and then into what, a square. So I write this sine theta plus cos theta the whole square. Okay, the whole square, and minus what, minus 1. Okay, so now expand this value. Simply I can write this sec theta as 1 by cos theta and cosec theta as 1 by sine theta. Okay, and for this I will expand. So this is what here, sine square theta plus cos square theta, right, plus 2 sine theta cos theta, 2ab, then minus 1. So take this LCM. So this is what, cos theta into sine theta, cos theta into sine theta. So here sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta, and this is what, 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta, and minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, and so this sine theta cos theta into is cancelled. So 2 times what, sine theta cos theta, 2 sine theta plus cos theta. What is sine theta plus cos theta? And sine theta plus cos theta is your a, so this is 2a, right? So if you see, the correct option is option A, right? Okay, coming to the next question. So the next question here is what here, the question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is here cot b plus into tan b. So cot theta into tan theta is 1. So we can write this expression 1 here and cot square b. So write this cot square b. And cos a into sec a, that is 1. This is what, sine square a, and 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is what? 1 minus cos square a is 1 minus cos square a is sine square a. So I write here sine square a. So this is even cancel out. So 1 plus cot square b, 1 plus cot square b minus 1. So this is cancel out. So this is what? Cot square b. If you see the option, so option B is the correct option. Okay, coming to the next question. So next question is the question number 5, right? Sine theta equal to what? You have given sine theta equal to cos theta. So we can write this as sine theta by cos theta, sine theta by cos theta. If you divide both sides by cos theta, so this is equal to 1. So this is tan theta equal to 1. Tan theta is 1 when theta is 45 degree. Okay, fine. Now we have got the value of theta. So now we'll find this value at 2 tan square theta. So 2 tan square 45, right here, 45 plus sine square 45, sine square 45, and what? Minus 1. So tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is 1. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square, right? 1 by root 2 the whole square. Okay, so I just write here 1 by root 2 the whole square. Okay, minus 1. So this is 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. If you see the option, correct option is option B. Hope you will be clear with these solutions. I will make a new videos for the remaining questions, right? Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.